to show you all how you can solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So hope you all enjoy the video. So let's get started and see how we can solve it. Now I'll give you all some brief information about the cube. So as I told you in the beginning, this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it has few parts. This cube has 6 sides or 6 faces. And it has 3 kinds of cubes. Center cube, a two-sided cube, and a corner cube or the three-sided cubes. So the center cube, however you twist and turn the cube or however you turn it, it never changes its position. Its position is fixed. But the other cubes can change its position. So there are few algorithms which you all should be following while solving the cube. So I'll be using letters for addressing the algorithms. So I'll just make you all familiar with the letters. So if I say D, you have to turn it the down row clockwise. And if I say DI, that means down anti-clockwise. Now if I say U, that means the top row or the upper row clockwise. And if I say UI, the top row anti-clockwise. Next, F. If I say F, that means the front side clockwise. And if I say FI, that is front side anti-clockwise. Now comes the right and left side. So if I say R, that means right side clockwise. And if I say RI, that is the right side anti-clockwise. Now the last, at the left side. So if I say L, that is left side clockwise. And if I say LI, left side anti-clockwise. I've shuffled the cube. Now we will start the process. Now first we have to choose one color as the top. So here I've taken white color as the top. So face it up. You can choose any color, whichever you like. So I have taken white here. Now we have to form a plus here. So you have to form the plus using the colors of the top or the main color which you have chosen. So here as I have chosen white, so I'll be forming a plus using white. So here in all these 4 sides, it will be white in color. In case you are choosing any other color like green, so the 4 sides will be of green color. Now as I have chosen white, I will be forming it using white color. Now we form a vertical line first. So as I had said you all before, the center cube never changes its position. So as you match the color on top, you have to be matching the colors on the sides also. So when you choose a cube which is supposed to come at the particular place, you have to make sure it matches the top center cube and the sides also. So now choose one color or one side and face it towards yourself. You see, I have chosen this side, that is, it has a center cube green, and I am facing it towards me. So we have selected green now. So as a first step, you have to search a two-sided cube which has both the colors, that is white and green. So I have that cube here. See, green is here and white is here, and it is a two-sided cube. Now you have to turn the cube in such a way that this white comes right below this green. So you have to turn the cube. So there's no particular formula while you get this cube there. It depends on the way you shuffle. So now I've brought the cube, the white and green cube, to its position, and the white is right below the green center cube. Now the next process is you have to get this particular cube here. So for that, what you are supposed to do is D, as I told, down clockwise. Then only the center row you are supposed to bring it down. Now just hold the center line and the right side line together and then just turn it down and put the right side top again. Now we have got white here. So now just do DI, that is down anti-clockwise. Now white has matched with the white cube has matched with its center cube. The same way the green is also matched with its particular center cube. Now again you have to get the center row back top. So again hold it together, lift it up, and again the right side down. Now you can see that here it's solved. In the same way here also it is solved, that both the colors are matching with its particular center cube. Now we have to solve it the opposite side. The same way how we solved it here, you are supposed to solve it on the opposite side. So the opposite side, face it towards yourself. That is, just turn it and face it towards yourself. And here I have the center cube as blue. So now I have to search a two-sided cube with the colors white and blue. See, I have it here. So the white should be right below blue here. So turn the cube in such a way that you get the white here and the blue here. See, now I have got the cube to its correct position. Now we are supposed to get this cube on top here. So the same, so how we solved it here in the same way. D, get only the center row down, di, and take the center top down, top, center line top. So now we have got a vertical line. So as we got a vertical line, the side centers are also matched with its appropriate color. So the same way now we are supposed to make a horizontal line.
We have to follow the same process on both the other sides.
Now you all can see that we got a plus, and then the center cubes are also matched with its appropriate color. Now we have to solve the 4 corner cubes. So for that, in the lower row, just check if you have any color of the top. That is, here we have taken white as the top, right? So you have to check if any corner cubes are there with white. So there should be 4. So I have got 1, 2 and 3 in the lower row, and 1 is on the top row. So now we will just get these 3 cubes to its correct position. So for that, we have to just analyze the other 2 colors. So just place your thumb finger on white or the top color which you choose, and just see what are the other 2 colors. Blue, here it is pink. So now I have to take this cube to a position where it lies in between the center cubes of the colors, that is blue and pink. So I have got the center cube of pink here and blue here. So I have to get the cube which we had selected in between. So just turn, and now I have got it in between the 2 center colors. Now I have brought the 3-sided cube or the corner cube to its correct position, that is between the center cubes of pink and blue. So it's not necessary it always comes on the right side. The white color or the top color always comes on the right side. It can also come in the left side. So if you got it in the right side, follow this algorithm. Di, Ri, D, R. So you can see that white is on top here, and the other 2 colors have also come to its position, the pink and the blue, right? So in the same way, you have to solve the other 3 corner cubes also. Now select the next corner cube which is down. Place your thumb finger and see the other 2 sides. Here it is green and pink. So I have the center cubes here, pink and green. Now I have to get this cube in between them. So I turn. So now I have got it in between them, and this time I have got the white side on my left. So if you got it on the left, follow this algorithm or formula. D, L, D, I, L, I. So you can see white has come top and the other 2 colors also in the correct position. In the same way, you are supposed to get the other 2 colors also, the other 2 cubes also. D, R. Now you can see that our top surface is completely solved. As we solve this, our first row is also completely solved, matching with its appropriate center cube. So now we are supposed to solve the second row. So for that, the solved surface should be down. So just twist it or turn it upside down. And now you are supposed to solve the two-sided cubes. So if you solve these two-sided cubes, the second row also will be solved. So for that,
Now let's focus on the center cube on the top layer. Here it is yellow color. Now we need to find out if there are any two-sided cubes with yellow color.
so just check both the sides. You have to see both the sides of the cube. You have to check if they have yellow. So I have one cube here which has yellow on it. So can you see yellow here, green here? So ignore that cube and focus on the other cubes. So from the other cube, select one and see what is its color on the side, not on the top, on the side, what is the color of its surface. So here it is pink. So now I have to match this pink with its appropriate center cube, like this. So pink is matched with its appropriate center cube. Now we have to check whether the top color should come on its left side or right side. So blue here is supposed to come with the left side. So if you need to get it towards the left side, follow this algorithm. UI, LI, U, L. Now you can see there's a cube misplaced here. So it has come towards your left side. So face the left side towards you, that is face this white cube towards you and follow this algorithm. U, R, UI, RI. Now you can see that the white cube has come back to its position, and in the same manner the cube which was here has come to its position, that is pink is matching with its center cube and blue is also matching with its center cube. So in the same way you are supposed to fill in the other two-sided cubes also. So now check again which cube has yellow or the top color or not and select one cube out of them. Here I have taken a cube which has blue and orange. Now I have to match blue with its center color. So now I have matched it. Now again orange is supposed to be brought to the left side of the cube. So UI, LI, U, L. Now the white cube face the left side towards you. U, R, UI, RI. Now you can see that the orange and blue cube has also come to its correct position and solved it. So in the same way the other two also. Now you can see this cube is also in its correct position, and after that our second layer of the cube is also solved. Now we have to solve the third layer. So this part is little difficult, but with continuous practice it will be very easy. So now focus on the top surface. See what your center color is. So here for me it is yellow. Now you will have three situations at this stage. Either you will have only a point or a dot, that is the center color alone, without any other same color, any other cube with a similar color on the place of the two-sided cubes. You may have the same color on the corner cubes, that you ignore it. Currently I have it like this. This is the situation which I have. So the second situation is you will have a horizontal line of the same color, that is the same color as the center cube. You will have a horizontal line. So even if you have a vertical line, if you just turn the cube, you will get a horizontal line. So that's not a problem. So the next situation is you will have a L shape. So of the same color. So the L, it's not the regular L as we write it in our notebooks. It is facing towards the left side. So an L that faces towards the left side. So it will look like this. And this L also should be of the same color as the center cube. This stage, if you have got these three situations, there are formulas for each of these, and when you implement them on the particular situation, so if you get the situation like this, that is only the dot, that is the center cube alone, when you do the formula which I give you, you may get a line, the second situation, or the third situation, that is the L. So it depends. So according to the formula which I give you, you are supposed to implement it on each stage or situation. As I told you what the three situations are, out of that for two situations, that is the point and the horizontal line of the same color, there is only one formula. Both have the same formula. And for the L, there is another formula. So those who got the point or the horizontal line, do this formula. F R U R I U I F I. Now you can see that instead of a dot here, I have got the L shape. So when I turn the cube, like without turning the rows, only the cube when I turn, I got the L shape. So if you got an L, follow this formula. So when you get a line or the horizontal line, you may get a dot again. So again repeat the same formula till you get the L or the plus. So those who got L, follow the given formula. F U R U I R I F I. Now you can see that we have got the plus of the same colors. So from the dot it became the L, from L it became the plus. So now as we have already matched the center cube with the appropriate colors with the two-sided cubes, the other face of the two-sided cubes, like here we have matched it, the other face, that is towards the sides. Now those cubes also, those colors also, you are supposed to match it with its appropriate center cube. So just turn the top row and see if they are getting matched or not. So I have got two colors matched with its center cube. See, right? Here green and green are matched. Here orange and orange are matched. So here also there are three situations you will get. Either you will get like this, that is two colors solved next to each other. It will be like this, see, here one and here one. This is the first situation. Next situation also you will have two colors solved, but it will be opposite to each other. So if one is solved here, the other one will be solved here. Then the third situation is nothing will be solved. So if you got two sides solved and they are next to each other, keep one side towards your right and the other one at the back. If you got for the second and the third situation, however you hold it, no problem. But if you got the first situation, make sure one is at the right side and the other is at the back. And now you have to do the same formula. Follow this algorithm to get all the centers same. R U R I U R U2, that is U 2 times R I U. You can see that now I have got all the centers matched with its color. You may not get it at a stretch. You have to do the formula again and again till you get. Now we are supposed to solve the four corner cubes. So before solving it, just have a look on all the four and see if anything is solved, or it can be solved by twisting the cube. So for example, here I have a cube which when it is twisted, that is when it is turned like this, when it is twisted, or it comes to the correct position, that is here when I twist it, the yellow will be here, the blue will be here and the pink will be here. So it has come to the correct position. So if you have got any cubes completely solved, not like this, completely solved, or like this, like when twisted it can be solved, keep that side towards your right. So here I have kept that cube towards my right. So at the left side should be the part which is not solved. Now you have to do the following formula. U R U I L I U R I U I L. Now when I look at the four corner cubes, I have got one solved. See, I have got one solved and the others can be solved when they are twisted, right? So here this cube, when it is twisted, the yellow will come here, the blue here and the pink here. So it is in the correct position. Same here, same situation is also here. So this also you may not get at a stretch. You have to keep doing the formula, and in case if anything is solved and solve completely like this or in this situation, make sure you keep it at the right and keep continuing the formula till you reach this stage. So this is how it will look if I say completely solved. So all the three colors are in the correct position. So if you got nothing, like none of them are like this but they are like this, keep it normally and make sure that always the solved is on your left side and the unsolved part is to the right side. Now follow this formula to get these cubes solved. R-I-D-I-R-D. R-I-D-I-R-D. You have to do this very slowly because if you do it fast, you may not notice the cube being solved here. You may keep continuing, which may shuffle the entire cube. So do it slowly and see carefully if the cube is getting solved or not.
You may find changes in the other parts of the cube. Don't panic, it will get solved.
Now only the top row, turn it towards your left. So the other unsolved part is here. So again do the same formula. R-I-D-I-R-D. R-I-D-I-R-D. So again turn it. And again do the same formula. R-I-D-I-R-D. R-I-D-I-R-D. So now you can see the top layer is not matched. Just turn the top layer and bring it to its correct position. Now you can see that our 3×3 Rubik's Cube is completely solved and it is very easy to solve it. With continuous practice, it will be very simple for you to solve. So if you like our videos, please don't forget to like and also share it with your friends and family. Like how I taught you using this video, you can also teach your friends out of it. So don't forget to support us. So thank you for watching our videos. Bye.